guys, it's Jake here, and today we're taking a look at this. This was sent to me by Gearbest. I just had another grandchild, and my daughter was pregnant when I ordered this from them, and it finally arrived. It comes in 3 colors, but there's only pink left. Cyan, yellow, and pink is what it comes in, and they've only got pink left, and I'm putting out this video as quick as I can. This is not an inexpensive little bike. This costs a little bit of money. The retail on it, full price, was around $245 US, around 180. No. The retail price was about $245 Canadian, about 180 US. But right now it's a whole lot less, 39% off, 40% off, and you can get it in time for Christmas if you've got a little child in your life. It's designed for kids aged a year and a half to about 3 years, up to about 44 pounds, up to about 4 feet tall, so it can handle pretty big children, and it's really simple. Let me show it to you. And Bandit, do you want to play? You go play and do something else, okay, buddy? Made by Xiaomi, this thing has won awards. It's won the German Design Award in 2017, I think it is. It's 2018 now. It's a tricycle that can also be a bicycle, and it can either be pedal powered or push powered, because everything is designed to easily come apart. So you can just take the pedals off if you want the child just to push it. And you can easily just flip some levers, and like this, there's 2 levers there. Push these in, or is it push them, that one in? I haven't used this very long because I'm trying to get this video out before they all sell out, because they've been on a discontinued they've been discontinued now, so we need to get them. Oh, it's this lever here. I got messed up. It's that lever right there. There you go. Like that. Fairly simple once you get used to it. So now, in this configuration, it's just a push bike. So the kid sits on here and just pushes with their legs, and you basically have 2 wheels. Technically there's 4 here, but you got 2 wheels. So very simple to operate. You just use these levers in here. There's these 2 things to push in, and you open that up, and so now it's got 2 back wheels, but that's not right. So you just have this little lever right here. You pull it back. You just pull it back and open it up. And there you go, and it's out. You take the pedal and you push it back in. Clickety-click, locks, and it's all good to go. You can push a button here. Let's turn it around. You push a button here, and you can make it for a slightly larger child by pushing that forward. Very, very easy to use. It only takes 2 screws, and they give you the Allen key for it. What 2 screws are they? That one and that one. That's all you have to put in to put this thing together. And you don't even need special tools, because they give you the Allen key, and that's all you need is that one Allen key, and the rest is just good to go. You do have to assemble a little bit. They've got an instruction sheet that's just pictures, but it's so simple, so easy to use. It does come with a little extra locking system and now I've got to do this over again because I forgot to show it to you before. For when you put the wheels together at the back, let me show that to you. I keep forgetting that it's this lever and those. So there you go. On that lever there. Now it's back. There's 2 metal holders there. There's this U-shaped piece, and it slides in there. And it's got a couple tiny little detents that hold it in place. So clickety-click. There you go. Now that's in there, and that holds the back wheels secure and tight, and it's ready to go. And that's how simple it is. And I'm going to go see my new grandson on Saturday. Today is Thursday when I'm recording this. And present this to his siblings. He's got a sister who is about almost 2, and a brother that's a little bit too old for this. So this is still going to get a fair bit of use because there's at least 2 kids, and I think my daughter wants to have 4 children. So there you go. This is the Xiaomi YOUPIN TF1. In Canadian dollars right now, it's $150.07. You pay almost $7 shipping, so $156.99 in Canadian dollars. Shipped to your place, delivered, all done. I didn't have to pay any taxes, nothing, customs, nothing. It just came through. Hopefully it'll do the same for you. Or if you're in the United States, it's $111.99 plus $5.16 shipping, which is $117.15. Yes, this is a little bit pricey, but for what you get, I think it's probably worth it. Now, if it's just not in your market, hey, get something else. I just like this, and you know, maybe I was a little bit selfish and I wanted to give something really nice to my grandchildren that I couldn't afford, and so I got Gearbest to pay for it. Thank you, Gearbest, very much for sending this. And like I said, there's just pink left. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Have yourselves a great day.